continuing from my previous talk session on metabolism, I am back with topic on BMR, basic metabolic rate. Based upon the basic metabolic rate, I will show you how you can calculate the number of calories you need daily to maintain your body weight. So first let us define what is basic metabolic rate. Basic metabolic rate is the total number of calories burned or the energy used for basic body functions like digestion, blood circulation. So when you are not doing any exercise, you are just resting, the energy used by the body for our basic body functions like digestion, respiration, blood circulation, that is called basic metabolic rate, and it should be high. So how to calculate basic metabolic rate for males and how to calculate basic metabolic rate for females? Please pay attention. You can calculate your BMR sitting in your house by just using the formula which I am going to tell you. So basic metabolic rate for male is 66 plus 13.7 into weight in kilograms plus 5 into height in centimeters minus 6.8 into age in years. For females, it's 655 plus 9.6 into weight in kilograms plus 1.8 into height in centimeters minus 4.7 into age in years. So I will just based upon this, I just first define if you would need some indicators to calculate. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters and 1 kilograms is 2.2 pounds. So if I have to calculate BMR for myself, for Rishi Sharma, I weigh 163 pounds, that is 163 divided by 2.2, that is 74 kilograms. So my weight in kg is 74 kilograms and my height in centimeters, I carry a height of 5 feet 11 inch. 1 feet is equal to 12 inch and 1 inch is equal to 2.554 centimeters. So my height is 5 feet 11 inches, that is 71 inches, that is 71 into 2.54, that is 180.3 centimeters. So if I have to calculate my BMR, it will be 66 plus 13.7 into 74 kilograms plus 5 into 180.34 minus 6.8 into my age in years, that is 32. So it will come to some figure nearing around 1800 something. Okay, so 1800 is the calories which I require, is the BMR, is the basic calories I require to maintain my internal bodily functions, basic, with no activity. Now every day you would be doing some sort of activity. You would be walking, or you would be doing some exercise or whatever it is. So based upon your activity, there is an activity factor is defined, which is an activity factor for no exercise is 1.2, for moderately active is 1.55, for very active it is 1.725, and people who are too much active, I mean they are like sports people, it is 1.9. So you can very easily calculate the energy, the total number of calories which you require daily to maintain your weight. How much calories you need to maintain your weight, to maintain your, which will maintain your BMR and also which will help you maintain your activity. So how many calories requires daily is your BMR into the activity factor. Now I exercise for 30 minutes at least 3 times a week. So I would call that moderate. So moderately active. I am moderately active, which is 1.55. So activity factor for Rishi Sharma is 1.55. I have just now shown you how to calculate your BMR, which was around 1800. So if I want to calculate how much calories I need daily, it will be my BMR, which is 1800, into activity factor, which is 1.55 for me. So it comes to around 2735 or 2700 calories. So 2700 calories are required by me on a daily basis based upon my BMR and based upon the activity factor I have in my life. Very simple. You can yourself calculate your BMR, males, females. The equation is right in front of you. You can just calculate that, and once you calculate this BMR, once you calculate the calories required, you should just stick to these number of calories based upon the activity and diet you are going to incorporate into your lifestyle. So there you are, BMR for you, how to calculate basic metabolic rate, and based upon that, how to calculate the calories you require daily based upon the physical activity. If you have no activity in your life, your indicator will be 1.2. Just multiply that. That is the amount of calories or energy required by you to maintain your by you daily. So basic metabolic rate, after you get the you have calculated that, just try to focus on the number of calories daily. It's as simple as that. Bye.